This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 23B is a Class C RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50,436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a Veredis with Slate Cabinetry or Juniper with Weath interior, sleeps 6 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 23B is built on a Mercedes-Benz VS30 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.